Hello all. We are going to discuss how to create any decommission assets, how we can do decommissioning. Okay, so we have a set of assets. We want to decommission that asset, so we need to copy that asset, and first we open that asset in A03 to check the data. Okay, so A03 you need to fill the asset ID sub number and click on this enter. Okay, click on this asset value, you will see the data. Acquisition value is this, ordinary depreciation is this, depreciation posted is this 10742, and current value of this is 673.80. Fine, so posted value is same, see, and acquisition value is this, and 10742 is ordinary depreciation charge and unplanned depreciation charge is 1376.20. So net book value is 637.80. We are going to decommission this asset, and for the decommissioning of this asset, ABUMN is a transaction code. Fine, this is the asset we are going to decommission. Current document date is this, asset value date is this. Okay, so decommissioning of printer at Circle Office AMB. Okay, so click on this new asset, decommissioning of printer at Circle Office ABC. Okay, asset class is the decommission asset class, that is 9917. Cost center, where all the cost is booked in the cost center, 1701201 in the CFA cost center. You can find out your own cost center. Okay, go in the, if you can fill the additional detail if you want to this, posting period, document type and all, invoice number, allocation, partial transfer. For example, if you want to partially decommission assets, okay, so come here, you can amount posted partially, percentage rate, quantity and all. For example, if the 10 quantity, for the 10 quantity of any assets, there is a single asset ID, you want to retire or decommission 5 quantity, then 5 quantity you can post here. Okay, you can make your note here. Click on this transaction data, go in the master data. In the master data, go in the additional data. Okay, go in the additional data, and here you need to fill the one quantity. Fine, go back, repeat again. This is ABUMN. Repeat the process again, ABUMN. Okay, and here you need to fill all the dates as a current date. Okay, decommissioning of the printer at Circle Office AMBC. Click on this new asset, AMBC. Asset class is the decommissioning asset class. Cost center is same, 1701201. Click on this master data and go in the additional data. Click on this inventory quantity 1. Okay, and we have to maintain the ordinary depreciation at Z00. If not maintained, and click on this create. Okay, and click on this simulation tab. See, simulation tab is this. Okay, uh, 12118 is the depreciation posted on this asset. 12756 is initial acquisition value. Okay, you can as option. The 637.80 is showing here the current book value. Fine, and I'm just going to post. Once I'm just going to post, then a decommissioning asset of the 9917 asset class has been created. Okay, and you need to click on this continue, and you need to write down this asset here. Fine, you can also open this asset using a AS03 transaction. Okay, AS03. Okay. Fine, click on this asset values. See, so this is how you can decommission your asset. Fine, so my next process is to receive this data in our inventory. Okay, so we will discuss in our next video. Okay, so thanks for watching. Have a nice day.